Oh, oh my God! We did it! Yeah, hi, today I'm gonna show you how I made $440 playing Mindstone. I'm just sharing my experience so you can see how it works and decide if it's for you. This is not financial advice. In this video, you'll see the whole process from playing the game to withdrawing the money. I choose 3 bombs every time. Honestly, that's the best option for me. Now I go into the game and top up my balance. I want to make $440 today, so I think $100, yeah, be enough. I'll show you full process. Let's copy both sides too. I'm using dollars. You just copy your wallet address in the game and go your wallet. Yeah, I use trust wallet. Yeah, my trust. Oops. Yeah. Oh, go. Yeah. Okay. I pass the correct address and send $200 to my game wallet. Alright, now we wait for the transaction. Oh, nice. It's sent. Okay. Going back to the game. Okay. Oh, perfect. Yeah, no, I'm going to the chat. Press complete. Yeah, go. Okay. Complete. Okay, next step. Now we need the client seat. You can find it in the bot setting, fairness, copy client seat, yeah, and paste it into the chart. Next, yeah, you need the server seat. It's also in the setting. I'm showing everything on the screen. Okay, paste everything into the chart. Done. Now the number of games I've played 38 games already. Whoa, I'm crazy. If it's your first time, just enter 0. 13 are loading. Okay, now the bot gives up the crystal. That's our signal. Yeah. Already showing where the crystal are at, where they are bomb, no bomb. I'm nervous. Now we go play the bet and check it. Yeah, let's win our $440. Alright, let's play the bet $220. Press bet. 3 bombs, everything correct. Wait, or I forgot. Okay, yeah, play the bet. Okay, now it says that pick the crystal. Yes, first one, second. I'm nervous, yeah. I'm so nervous, honestly. Get nervous every single time. Okay, first. We did it, yeah? Let's check. Yes. Wow. Okay. Oh, we made $440. That's insane. We did it. This is my wallet. I made this. You can do the same. You can literally do the same. Oh, this is my money. Just make sure you copy wallet address correctly, so nothing go wrong. Okay, copy my address. Okay, paste it. Okay, confirm. So, and now the moment of truth. This game is honestly amazing. Okay, where is my money? Ooh. Oh.